Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've actually got a day off, and I get monthly days off as part of my work schedule, so sometimes I just like to either take this day to rest and recuperate, or go for a little stroll, go to some cafes, some shops, or get some admin stuff done as well. But today I thought I would just go to a cafe and do a little bit of reading, maybe answer some emails, and also just visit a few shops that I've just wanted to check out recently. And yeah, just do like a little bit of a self-care day. I don't want to overthink it or anything, just kind of see where the day takes me and we'll go from there. I also thought I would just show you my outfit. So it is quite cold today, but it's not as cold as some of the days recently here in Melbourne. It's sunny, which is really nice, and I love when the sun's out. It automatically makes everything so much better. But I'm wearing this grey knitted sweater, which I recently got from a store here in Australia. It's called Glassons. It's really cozy. It's quite thick material, and the sleeves are a little bit flouncy, and it's really cozy and warm. And then underneath I just have a long sleeve top as well, just for extra warmth. I'm not going to bring any jacket today just because it's actually not too bad outside. When I took my dog outside for a walk this morning, I didn't need a jacket and I actually felt really good. So I'm going to wear this, and then for my pants, I've got on my Uniqlo wide leg jeans, which I don't remember the name anymore, but I will link these down below. They're just a classic wide leg jean in this kind of dark blue. For my bag, I'm going to wear my Naked Vice slouchy bag. I wear this every day, and it's probably my favorite bag I have. It just fits everything that I need, and it's just so easy. I have everything I need in here. I love it for days like this. I can just carry whatever I want, and I feel like I have everything with me, and I feel prepared for whatever I need that day. As I finish recording this, I received my Sezane order that I ordered a few days ago. I think it was on the weekend, and it's just arrived. It's part of kind of their little sale that they had, and this is my first time ordering off Sezane. I've never ordered before, and I'm really excited to see the pieces and just first impressions. And I will be doing a video, so it will come out probably in the next week or so. It'll come out after this vlog at least, but I just received the box and it is so beautiful. Maybe we'll just do a quick unboxing now, and then I'll do the first impressions and try on kind of portion of the video in the next video that's coming. So here is the box that I've received. This is so cute. It comes with a little cacio e pepe pasta recipe up at the top here, which is super cute, and actually I might take a photo of that, as that might be kind of fun to try. Okay, mind my very dirty mirror, but I'm gonna head off now. Okay guys, so I just made it back home and I went to a few different shops, had a little browse. I ended up buying some jeans, but they didn't have the size that I wanted in the color I wanted in store, but they were able to ship it to my home from their wholesale kind of warehouse. And I'll probably show you what they look like whenever I get them. I'm really happy with them. I think they're exactly what I've been looking for in a pair of jeans, and they're from the brand called New Jeans. So I might even have the jeans on the side somewhere just so you can see what I kind of looked at ordering, and they were on a really good sale as well, which is amazing. I also found a whole bunch of stuff in the secondhand shops that I really liked, but nothing that was enough to actually purchase. And I really had to think about it and really stop myself from buying something just because it feels fun in the moment, but really it's a duplicate of so many other items that I have. For example, I found this really pretty Country Road black top, and I thought if I can't stop thinking about it and then I go back and it's still there, I'll get it. But you know, the fact that I'm even thinking about this probably means that I don't need it and I don't want it. I've got so many other tops like it already, and it was just a really plain top anyway. It was just a vintage Country Road, which is really good, but I don't need to buy it just because of that. The one thing I did get though is this Oroton bag. It's kind of like a shoulder bag, and I thought this was really cute. I found this for $20, but these vintage kind of Oroton bags do sell for a lot more, so I thought that was a really good price. Plus when I saw it, it really caught my eye, and it kind of reminded me of that kind of the rose style, or that kind of style mixed with a little bit of Y2K-esque, and it has the long straps at the top, and it's kind of like a shoulder bag. This is what it looks like. I thought it was really cute. Inside is kind of like this pink detail and a whole bunch of pockets in there as well, which I love. I love when there's a lot of pockets in my bags. Hey guys, so I've come to the city today for a little solo day again, and I decided to go to the art gallery. It's the NGV art gallery here in Victoria, and just have a little browse, see if there's any art or anything inspiring, or you know, just walk around a little bit, and then I'll probably go to a cafe and maybe do some shopping in the city. And yeah, whatever we do today, I'll take you with me. And yeah, it is such a nice day. A little bit cold today, but that's okay. I'm quite warm. I've got 3 layers on, and I've got gloves in my bag as well, so I'm all ready for the cold. It's so pretty here. I thought I would just sit in the park a little bit before we go. I'm back home now. It ended up being kind of late, and because it's winter here, the sun sets so early, but I took the tram home and then I stopped at a grocery store and then took the tram home again from there. So ended up being kind of late, but I'm glad to be home now. And I also kind of felt like treating myself tonight, and I bought some cookie dough, which I've never actually done before. I've never created cookies or baked cookies from like a cookie dough. I thought I would try it out tonight. So I ended up buying this cookie dough in choc chip. It's kind of ready to bake. You just cut it up, and this is the Auntie Kath's brand. I'm gonna create this now, and then I'm going to get cozy on the couch and probably watch maybe some Friends, maybe put on a movie or a TV show. So good. So these are the cookies out of the oven. This is the first batch that I wanted to make a little bit chewy, and then the next batch I'll probably bake them a little bit longer just to be a little bit more crunchy. So these are good. I'm gonna try one. So this is the cookie. Oh, it's very soft. And I'm gonna try a piece. That's good. These are really good. You can't have that.